Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my last update, I think, before the finale for the Roulette Pan Collab. This project was set up by Rebecca Morgan and Alexy, and I'll have them both linked down below. I enjoy both their channels. I've been watching both of them since, well, for years, and I've been watching Alexy since she started. I'm so grateful to be doing this. I absolutely love this project. So I'll have all of the information linked down below, and if you're interested in seeing how I did this time, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so the premise for this is there are 6 categories that you work on at any given time. There are prompts from a spreadsheet of about 100. There were 2 spreadsheets, a 50 and 100 of load of categories. I amalgamated them into 2 and I've been randomly selecting 6 categories from there. So I hit goal on 2, so we'll be rolling in 2 at the end, and I'm going to start off with those 2. So the last time I rolled in a product you think is overpriced, and I chose the Hourglass palette. And I said that I wanted to use it 10 times, and I can say now that I've used it 10 times. If you want to see why I think it's overpriced, I will link the previous video down below because I don't want to go off on a rant again. I tend to always do that. I can get these 3 these powders at the top to work, but these 3 down the bottom, like even if I get a powder brush small enough to fit in this pan, right? Dip, dip. What? How do I powder my face then? Like this, like the whole... Do you know what I mean? It's just like powdering bits at a time, and I want to pan these. I think the products themselves are beautiful. It's just irritating. But anyway, I've used it 10 times and it was 88 euros, so I do think it's overpriced. The next one was, what was this next one that I hit goal on? An on-trend product, and I chose this, and it's the Nikkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette, and I had used it 3 times and now I've reached the 10. We took 7 more times to hit the goal. I was meant to put this on today, but as of the 10 times, okay, gosh, it's so hard to show you with the mirror. As of the 10 times, I've gotten to like this palette a lot more. It is so different to anything that I have. And I heard from one of you guys that you find that it's with this navy shade that I was having trouble with, it's handy to just pack it and blend it. So it seems to be a palette, just requires more effort. I do still stand by this blue shade, just does not show up on my skin. I'm gonna close this. This orange shade here and this yellow shade blend really, really beautifully. Again, with this green shade and all of them, it's just the navy blue I had trouble with. The shimmer shades, like I heard some people say different things pretty much, but mine is kind of flaky, okay? Flaky and thin, kind of like the Electric from Subculture. The shades are so beautiful, but as of 10 times, you know, I'm not sold, but I do like it a lot more than I did. It is a thin formula. Those shimmers are thin. Some of the mattes I really do enjoy. Okay, so after digging my fingers in and wrecking the thing, but as of the 10 uses, I like it a lot more than I did like it, is how I'm feeling. I like it an awful lot more than I did like it. And I'd actually like to pan it a bit. You know what I mean? I actually would. I'm happy that I have it, and I like it more than I did. So that's saying something. A product that deserves more hype. I chose this Inglot foundation. Well, I chose the brand Inglot. It deserves more hype. This is in the shade 76, and my goal was to finish. It's an airless pump, so it goes up. So this is how much I've gone up since the last update. My goal is to finish it. Will I finish it by January? I don't know. Like, I doubt it. I'd be so close, I think. But I really like this foundation. I like Inglot. I think that they do deserve more hype. There's 35 mils in this. This foundation is too dark for me as it is, but it's perfect all year round for, one, it's good in the summer, it's good for fake tan, and it's good for mixing throughout my skin color changes. So I really, really like this. This is like a medium to full coverage foundation with a satin to matte finish, and I love it. And I enjoy Inglot. For a hair care item, I chose this Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Conditioner, and I said my goal is to finish, but when I started to use it, I was like, oh my God, I really like this. So now I'm only using it when I need to. So after the shower, when my hair is dry, I also put it in to tame it for like Zoom meetings, but I'm actually really enjoying this so far. So I doubt I'll finish it, but I'm glad that I am using it. Do you know what I mean? Very glad that I'm using it. For your most expensive palette, I rolled in this Natasha Denona Blue Purple palette. This is a really like a 200 euro palette, or a $200 palette. It's really, really expensive. I rolled this in the last time. My goal was to use it 10 times and I've used it 7 times. So I need to use it another 3 times. I'm pretty happy that I managed to hit my goals on the eyeshadow since I put in so much. Like, I really enjoy this palette. This is the only one that I have that's this size, this big massive size. But I love these mattes. I am loving these shimmers, but the mattes are what steals the show. They're not cream, they're buttery. There's not much kick up to them, but they blend absolutely beautiful. I have used this obviously before this project, but I've used it 7 times. I need to use it 3 more times, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. For your most expensive lip product, I chose this LimeCrime lipstick in Airborne Unicorn. My goal was to finish it, but I'll show you like where I am now. There's only this much left in it. I love this lipstick. I love the formula. I love the color. It stays on really long. It doesn't transfer around your face. It doesn't even go to my teeth actually. It's a cream formula, but not too creamy, and it lasts like a liquid lipstick. It's actually shocking. So here it is on a piece of paper. It's down at that blue line. It seems to be moving pretty consistently. It's weird that there is any consistency considering the virus. But anyway, do I think I'll finish that? No, but am I happy to use it? Yes. So I have to roll in 2 categories now. So I'm gonna get my random generator. Okay, so I have 98 categories left on my list to work on. We need 2 numbers, yes? Is that right? Yes. So the first one is number 74, and 74 is a liquid or cream product, and 52. These categories will be different to yours. So where is it? 74, a liquid or cream product, and 52 is an indie makeup product. Yes, I'm so excited for that. Let me go get those and I'll literally be just right back. Okay, so I had 2 categories, a liquid or cream product. So I'm choosing my Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette, and I'm going to work on this glow shade. And my goal is to use this 10 times. I think, like, because next month is the finale, the 10th of January is the finale. I love this shade. I think this is a beautiful highlighter and a beautiful blush, at least on fair skin for the blush. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm really excited. That's going to go here. Then for indie, I've got a few now, but I'm going to pull out this singles palette from Dandelion Co. I'll link it down below. He now has a website, and it's a US indie brand, and it's fantastic. And I want to use this palette, I'm going to say 5 times or more. Like, I only have a month, and I still have my eyeshadow palette finale to do. I do have a casualty that I'm going to have to just go and face and repress. Like, I would say 10, but like, if I get to 5, I'll go for 10, okay? I think that's fair considering how much I have going on here. But anyway, guys, that was my update. If you enjoyed, please do subscribe. I can't wait to watch everyone else's. The playlist will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.